Hi, if you're here looking to make a VRC avatar, you've come to the right place. I know what you might be thinking though. Why pay to learn something others are teaching for free, or what makes your teaching different from the countless other creators and YouTubers? So let me tell you, I've been a graphic designer and 3D modeler for over 10 years and a private tutor for 5 years, teaching others how to use Adobe and 3D modeling software. I have the experience behind me to teach you how to create step by step in the order you need to learn in, avoid some of the bad habits, and make the learning curve easier on you. At the time of this recording, I've been making avatars for almost 3 years and learned a lot of tricks. I say with these programs, whatever you do, there's probably an easier, faster way to do it, and I want to teach that to you. The avatar market is so heavily saturated with a lot of the same stuff from the same places. I want to change that and see more diverse, unique creations. So I ask you, do you want the fish or do you want to know how to catch one? Would you rather spend a bit of money to buy and tweak a pre-made avatar or a few, or spend a bit more to learn how to make them for yourself and exactly the way you want them? This is what I'm offering you. My masterclass on VRC avatar creation is in the Gumroad link below, as well as my Discord server where you can join and ask me anything if you're stuck, or just say hi and talk to me. I've created my class with about 4 hours of content broken down into sections going over different topics and stages of avatar creation from start to finish. No need to look up multiple videos or wonder what videos to look up to continue working on the next phase of your avatar. They're all here in order. You will learn how to assemble parts in your avatar, weight paint, create your own clothes, UV unwrap, and create texture atlases, create animations, optimize for PC and Quest, and so much more. I hope to meet you soon and help you achieve your goals of becoming the creator you want to be.
With GD's course, I thought that weight painting would be a difficult thing because I've seen others do it. But after watching and experimenting on my own, now I genuinely can make all the clothes that I want fit perfectly and not clip through whenever I'm moving around, especially with someone who's full body. It makes life a lot easier.
So with GD's course, I was able to learn armature and blend in Blender. And when I had any questions, GD's Discord is available, and they get back to you within a reasonable time frame. And they're very, very reassuring with, if you don't understand it, they will continue to help you until you understand.
Hi, so my first interactions with GD were actually when I hired them to create my avatar. And from doing that, they provided constant updates and even live streams, which helped show me and just it made me interested into the creative process of creating avatars, and honestly taught me quite a bit without even trying. But then the masterclasses were a whole nother thing. They were so in-depth, there was such good detail about every little thing that I never even thought about, different ideas and different things to do, that it really helped, as well as having the occasional input and feedback from GD through their Discord really helped me be able to learn the process the entire time, along the entire way.